Hey friends, if you wish to add rolling credits in a PowerPoint presentation, then watch this video. So I'll open a PowerPoint presentation for you and then I'll add a blank slide here. You can choose any sort of slide that you want to. I prefer blank slide. Click on insert. I'll insert a picture and I'll pick up this cute dog picture. Now I created this and I want credits here. So I will go to insert once again and I will search for text. So I'll add a text box and let's say here's a text box. I'll name it credits and I'll add my name here. And then I will also use make it bold and then give it let's say an external color, and then I will give it an internal color, etc, etc. Now I want these to be rolling, so it is not rolling. I'll select this text once again. I'll go to animation. I'll leave all of this here. I'll select add animation and I'll select swivel. Okay, or I can select something else as well, but then I need to scroll down and then I need to create on more entrance effects and then scroll down and select credits and then click on OK. Now when I press F5, okay, and hit enter, let's say rolling credits. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how I could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.